Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Hello friends, and welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen, and I thank you so much for watching my channel, and I hope you guys are enjoying my channel and my cooking, and I hope you guys are actually trying my recipe, and if you should. Today the recipe what I'll be making is spicy crab curry. I just want to warn you guys, it is a really spicy, very spicy curry, but you can control the spices, the amount of spice that you put into this dish. So I'll show you step by step how to make this dish. I'll show you the ingredients. 800 grams of crab, 3 green chili sliced, half a cup of coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of curry powder, some curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 1 tomato diced, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, salt to your taste. I have a pan here heating on medium heat. Go ahead and add the oil. The oil is heated, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my fenugreek seed, add in the cinnamon stick, add in the onions, just sauteing for a minute or so. Go ahead and add the chili and the curry leaf, and then just let this saute for a couple of minutes. It's been sauteing for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and add the ginger garlic paste and let this saute till the raw smell disappears. It's been sauteing for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add the crabs. Add salt for your taste. Guys, that's my daughter Abigail. She's peeking at me cooking. Oh boy, careful. Are you hungry? Yes? Okay. And we're going to be cooking this on medium heat. And so you can put the lid back on and let it cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to give it a nice little stir. You can add in the tomato. Give it another good stir and put the lid back on and cook it for another 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Go ahead and add the curry powder and the plain chili powder. Give it a good mix. Add the tamarind juice. All right, give this a good mix and let this simmer for about another 5 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been simmering for about 5 minutes. And add 1 cup of water to this, and you can turn up the heat on between medium and high and let this simmer, let it boil and marinate with the other spices. So I'm gonna cover this back and cook it for another 10 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been simmering for 10 minutes now. open it, give it a good stir. You can go ahead and add the coconut milk. Okay, now you're gonna put the heat back on medium and cook this on medium heat for at least 15 minutes more, and check your salt. It's been 10 minutes, but I'm still gonna cook it because I like it to be a little bit thicker. So, but if you like it if you guys like gravy, you can leave it just like this and turn off the heat. But I'm gonna go ahead and cook it for another 10 minutes on medium heat, uncovered. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes. I shut off the heat and I'll plate it and I'll show you. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching me cook the spicy crab curry today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me cook, and I hope you guys really try this interesting, delicious dish. I have to warn you, it's a very spicy dish. Anyways, so if you guys did really like my video, please hit like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.